Hi guys, welcome to our community Codeco. In this tutorial, we are going to see comments in our programming language. If we talk in general, what are the comments and how we are going to write comments? So we are going to write comments in English sentences, right? So here we no need to bother about the logic of the code, or we no need to bother that whether it is reflected in our output or input, because the compiler will not check or will not go through that comments. It simply ignores all the comments inside the programming language, and we will use comments to show or to say about the program or the project. Okay, so this is simple about comment. Now we will check how the compiler will know about the comment, whether it is a comment or a statement. Simple. Why I am saying simple? Because in all the programming language, when we are writing a comment, we are going to use symbol, right? So in the same way, in our R programming language also we have some symbol. We'll discuss about within few minutes. Okay, so if the symbol occurs, the compiler understands that whether it is a statement or a comment. If it encountered, when we compile the program, if it encounter the symbol, then it knows that it is a comment, so it will not check that line. It will simply goes to next line. Now we will discuss what's the purpose of using comments, why we are writing the comments. Here we are writing for code readability. If anyone checking your project, or if anyone seeing your code, if they don't know about any programming language, they can read the English sentences and they can learn why you are using that line or why you are using that logic. Okay, in this way the layman can able to learn or to know about the project or the program, and also we can explain about the code to someone who don't know about the programming language, and also we can prevent the execution of the code. If we simply put the whole program inside the comments, and also we can write another program and we can check without implementing the first program in the same script page. Okay, and also we can include resources, or if we can say we had added some resources in this project, so you can able to remember when you see that project, yeah, we use these resources from somewhere else. Okay, so this is the main purpose of using comments in programming language. Now we will see what are the types of comments. Here we have three types of comments: single line comment, multi-line comment, documentation comment. But here in our programming language, it only supports single line comment. For that we are going to use slash symbol. If the programming or the compiler when encounter the slash, it will just simply ignores that line and goes to second line. Okay, so just here I will write print of hello world. Print of hello world. Now I will run the program. Okay, see here you are not able to see anything right in the console, just it changing from first to second place. Now I will just write print hello world without the comment. Okay, so without using slash symbol, hello world. Now I will run the program. See, now here you are able to see hello world, right? Yeah, so it's printing only one time because it simply ignores this print statement because it's inside the comment. So this is single line comment in our programming. You have to remember one thing, that we have multi-line comment and documentation comment, but the R program will not support that. If we want to do like that, we can place the cursor and we can select those two lines and we can use that small shortcut. Okay, now I will say the shortcut. Simply we are going to click Control plus Shift plus C. See, it's changing those two lines into comments, and also we can remove by using same shortcut Control plus Shift plus C. Okay, see, it's removing two comments as a statement, and also we can use by using GUI. Simply we are going for code, and here we can able to see one menu, right? So here we can use comment and uncomment lines. See, it's getting one comment line. Now I will select first two lines and I will go for code and I will just click comment. So it's creating comment for first 2 lines. So in this way you can do multi-line comment. Okay.